Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Catizen allocation on Bitget exchange. So this update is mainly for those of you that participated in the Catizen Airdrop campaign and use Bitget exchange to withdraw your Catizen allocation. So for you to check your Catizen allocation, what you need to do is to click on assets. Then once you click on assets, what you need to do is to click on spot. Then you can search for Catizen, that is Cati. Okay, this is how to check your Catizen allocation for those of you that use Bitget exchange as your withdrawal destination for Catizen. Alright guys, so for those of you that want to get more information on airdrop campaign to participate in, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video, or you can check my profile. For those of you that are on TikTok, check my profile. Make sure to join my Telegram group to get massive information on airdrop to participate in, to stay positioned for some potential reward. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.